Hello everyone, I'm going to be talking about a brand new facelift procedure. I developed this procedure a few years ago. It is called Glidelift. Lift means the patients, they don't have the traditional facelift scar in front of their ears. Actually, everything is done through a tiny incision in the hair, and the neck is done through a tiny incision under the chin. And it is called Glidelift. Who are candidates for the Glidelift? Not regular 70-year-old facelift patient. Usually Glidelift patients are 35 to 50 years old. And those are the type of patients, they come to you, they say, "Doc, I am not ready for a regular facelift. Can you just do this? Just lift this up and kind of make this a little bit smoother?" Those are the candidates for this procedure. How do we do this procedure? Basically, the incision is in the hair. It's a tiny incision. And we put a lighted retractor, and we can expose all this tissue. So through this, we can do a facelift, we can do a brow lift, we can shape the corner of the eye. Some people like those cat eye looks. All can be done through this tiny incision. And also, what we do is, through this incision, which is located here, we can modify the deep plane. This is the deep plane of the face. You can pull it up, or you can kind of shape it in various ways through the same incision. And then we place what we call a surgical net. That's the scary part. People are usually intimidated with this net, but this is just suture securing the skin and stays only 3 days, doesn't leave any marks. And patients look like that, and if you think, and the reaction of the patient is going to be like this, they're like shocked, "Oh my God, I don't want all those sutures on my face." But those sutures are not painful, and they are actually very useful. And I mentioned it doesn't leave any marks. Here is a patient who had this procedure only on the face. And as you can see, there are no marks, and she has no visible scars. And here is the patient that I showed you. Here are those horrible sutures, and here is her result a year after surgery. And there are no scars in front of the ear. The only incision she has is here and under her chin. And you can see her result 1 year after, no visible scars. Here is another patient. This patient actually a little bit older, but I was able to do a Glidelift. As you can see, she has no visible scars. And this is a patient I operated in Brazil, and it was live surgery. I had 400 people watching this surgery. This is her face before, and here we can see her video. And as you can see, there are no scars. And you can see the youthful contour, which was achieved with this surgery. And you can see the change in the hollow eyes, and this is the tiny scar in the neck. So this is a summary of Glidelift, a facelift procedure for younger patients who doesn't desire long incisions of the facelift.